Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to our video on the alarming symptoms of prediabetes and insulin resistance. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects millions worldwide, yet often goes unnoticed until it's too late. Prediabetes is a critical warning sign that your body is struggling to manage blood sugar levels effectively, and insulin resistance is a crucial player in this dangerous game. In this video, we'll explore the key symptoms that could indicate you're at risk, such as increased thirst, frequent urination, and unexplained fatigue. These may seem minor inconveniences, but can be crucial indicators of a more significant health issue. We'll also discuss how these symptoms relate to your health and the potential long-term consequences if left unaddressed. We aim to engage you with informative content that raises awareness and empowers you to act. Understanding these warning signs is the first step toward prevention and better health. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer picture of what to look out for and how to approach your health proactively. So, stick around as we uncover the danger signals of high blood glucose and what you can do to safeguard your well-being. Let's get started. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding prediabetes. Prediabetes is a health condition characterized by elevated blood sugar levels that are higher than usual, but not yet high enough to be classified as type 2 diabetes. It serves as a crucial warning sign, indicating that your body is beginning to struggle with insulin regulation. This stage is significant because it offers a unique opportunity for early intervention, allowing individuals to make lifestyle changes that can prevent the progression to full-blown diabetes. Early detection of prediabetes is vital. Research shows that without intervention, up to 70% of individuals with prediabetes may develop type 2 diabetes within 10 years. By recognizing the symptoms and risk factors early on, such as being overweight, having a sedentary lifestyle, or having a family history of diabetes, individuals can take proactive steps to improve their health. Statistics reveal that nearly 88 million adults in the United States have prediabetes, which is about 1 in 3 adults. Alarmingly, more than 80% of those affected are unaware of their condition. This underscores the importance of regular health screenings and awareness campaigns to educate the public about the risks associated with prediabetes. By understanding what prediabetes is and its implications, you can take charge of your health and potentially reverse the course of this condition before it escalates. What is insulin resistance? Insulin resistance is a metabolic condition in which the body's cells become less responsive to insulin, a hormone that plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. When insulin resistance occurs, glucose cannot efficiently enter the cells, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. This disruption in glucose metabolism can result in a range of health issues, including prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. The impact of insulin resistance on the body is significant, as the pancreas works harder to produce more insulin to compensate for the reduced effectiveness. It can eventually lead to pancreatic fatigue and decreased insulin production. This cycle affects blood sugar control and can contribute to various metabolic disorders. One of the most notable relationships is between insulin resistance and weight gain. Excess body fat around the abdomen can exacerbate insulin resistance, creating a vicious cycle. As insulin resistance increases, the body struggles to utilize glucose effectively, leading to higher insulin levels and weight gain. Common causes of insulin resistance include a sedentary lifestyle and poor dietary choices. Lack of physical activity can diminish the body's ability to use insulin effectively, while diets high in refined carbohydrates and sugars can spike blood sugar levels, further straining insulin function. Understanding insulin resistance is essential for recognizing its implications on health and taking proactive steps to improve metabolic function through lifestyle changes. Recognizing high blood glucose levels. Recognizing the symptoms of very high blood glucose levels is crucial for maintaining your health. Common symptoms include excessive thirst, frequent urination, and persistent fatigue. When blood sugar levels rise, the body attempts to eliminate the excess glucose through urine, leading to increased urination. This process can cause dehydration, which in turn triggers excessive thirst. Fatigue often accompanies these symptoms, as the body struggles to utilize glucose for energy effectively. These symptoms are not just minor inconveniences, they can indicate worsening health conditions. If left unchecked, high blood glucose can lead to severe complications, including nerve damage, kidney issues, and an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases. Recognizing these warning signs early can be the difference between managing your health effectively and facing more severe consequences down the line. Regular monitoring can help you stay informed about your health status and make necessary lifestyle adjustments. Consulting a healthcare professional is vital if you notice persistent symptoms or have concerns about your blood sugar levels. By being proactive and attentive to your body's signals, you can take charge of your health and work towards preventing complications associated with high blood glucose. Remember, awareness is the first step toward better health management. Danger! Alarm symptoms. When it comes to your health, specific alarming symptoms should never be ignored, as they can indicate severe health risks. Among these are blurred vision, slow healing wounds, and unexplained weight loss. Blurred vision can indicate fluctuating blood sugar levels, which may lead to more severe eye conditions if not addressed. Slow healing wounds indicate poor circulation and nerve damage, often linked to high blood sugar levels. On the other hand, unexplained weight loss can signal that your body is not effectively using glucose for energy, leading to the breakdown of fat and muscle for fuel. It's crucial to emphasize the urgency of seeking medical advice when experiencing these symptoms. Ignoring them can lead to severe complications, such as diabetic retinopathy, infections, or even diabetic ketoacidosis, a life-threatening condition that can occur when the body starts breaking down fat at an alarming rate. For example, blurred vision can worsen permanent vision loss if the underlying issues are not treated. Similarly, slow healing wounds can develop into infections that may require hospitalization or even amputation in severe cases. Unexplained weight loss can lead to malnutrition and muscle wasting, further complicating one's health status. If you notice any of these alarming symptoms, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional. Early intervention can make a significant difference in managing your health and preventing serious complications. Your well-being is worth the attention. Lifestyle changes to combat prediabetes. Lifestyle changes are essential for reducing the risk of prediabetes and improving overall health. One of the most effective strategies is a balanced diet, emphasizing whole foods while minimizing added sugars. Focus on incorporating plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. This approach helps regulate blood sugar levels and provides essential nutrients that support overall well-being. Regular physical activity is another crucial component in combating prediabetes. At least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise each week can significantly enhance insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to use glucose more effectively. Activities such as walking, cycling, swimming, or even dancing can be enjoyable ways to stay active. Consistency is vital, so find activities you love to make exercise a regular part of your routine. Weight management also plays a vital role in reducing the risk of prediabetes. A modest 5–10% weight loss can improve insulin sensitivity and control blood sugar. Managing stress is equally important, as chronic stress can negatively impact blood sugar levels. Incorporating stress reduction techniques such as mindfulness, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can help you maintain a healthier lifestyle. By making these lifestyle modifications, you can take proactive steps to combat prediabetes and improve your overall health. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results over time. When to seek medical help. Knowing when to seek medical help is crucial for anyone at risk of prediabetes or experiencing concerning symptoms. Regular checkups are essential for at-risk individuals, allowing healthcare professionals to monitor blood sugar levels and assess overall health. If you have risk factors such as obesity, a sedentary lifestyle, or a family history of diabetes, scheduling routine screenings can help catch any issues early on, potentially preventing the progression to type 2 diabetes. Healthcare providers play a vital role in managing prediabetes. They can offer personalized advice on lifestyle changes, recommend dietary adjustments, and create exercise plans tailored to your needs. Additionally, they can provide valuable resources and support to help you stay motivated on your journey toward better health. Regular consultations can also help track your progress and make necessary adjustments to your management plan. It's essential to take any symptoms seriously and not delay seeking help. If you experience alarming signs such as excessive thirst, frequent urination, blurred vision, or unexplained weight loss, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. Early intervention can make a significant difference in your health outcomes. Remember, your well-being is a priority, and promptly addressing concerns can lead to better health management and a higher quality of life. Don't wait for symptoms to worsen. Take charge of your health today by consulting a healthcare provider. In this video, we've explored the critical issues surrounding prediabetes and insulin resistance, emphasizing the dangers they pose to your health. We discussed the alarming symptoms that indicate high blood glucose levels, such as excessive thirst, frequent urination, and blurred vision. Recognizing these signs early is essential for preventing serious complications. We also highlighted the importance of lifestyle changes, including adopting a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and managing stress, which can significantly reduce your risk of developing diabetes. It is vital to take proactive steps in monitoring your health. Regular checkups and awareness of your body's signals can empower you to make informed decisions about your well-being. If you notice any concerning symptoms, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional for guidance and support. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into prediabetes and insulin resistance dangers. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who may benefit from it. Together, we can raise awareness and promote healthier lifestyles. Explore our related content for more tips and strategies to improve your health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health.